free traffic for affiliate links. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get traffic for your affiliate links to promote your affiliate products and earn your commission. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to any of your affiliate marketing platform. I have opened up digistore24.com, which is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network. So you simply sign up for your affiliate program as an affiliate. When we sign up as an affiliate for any affiliate marketing program, then it involves promoting our product. When it comes to promoting our product, there are many other ways, but they're all paid ways and we cannot pay that much in order to sell our products. So we're always looking for a way to promote our affiliate links for free and an effective way. So today I will show you that. First, simply go to the marketplace of your affiliate platform. This is the marketplace for Digistore24. We get a lot of different products when it comes to affiliate marketing, such as animals and pets, dance and music, business, fashion, education, email marketing, games and fun, home and garden, and others. So you will select the right product for yourself. Let's say that I go with this product right here. You can see that it is a digital product and I will be able to earn 75% commission. And the earning is going to be $26 net per sale. This is actually a pretty good product right here. So you simply select your product and click on promote now. It takes you to the product page and you get your own link. Once you have your affiliate link, then what you have to do is you can simply go to Facebook. Facebook.com is an amazing, famous social media platform with billions of users. When it comes to Facebook, we can do affiliate marketing and we can actually add our links right here. You can also create a landing page for your product right here first. That will actually save you from a lot of trouble and you will be able to add links anywhere you want to. So on Facebook, we need to go to groups. Because if you're creating a page, then you don't know if people will follow you and it is going to be a very long process. But when it comes to groups, you can find affiliate marketing groups with a lot of members, such as 136K, 155K members, 101K, then we have 152K, 23K. These are all different people looking for affiliate products and they're interested in affiliate marketing. You can simply join these groups and then promote your product right here. You can add your links to your post that you create on Facebook. You can also add videos to your post. Once you do that, then you will get the traffic for your product and you will be able to sell your product and make a sale, earn your commission. So I will be earning 75% commission when I will promote my affiliate link right here on Facebook. Another way we can promote our affiliate link is going to be on Twitter. Twitter is also a social media where we can tweet about our product. When it comes to affiliate marketing, Twitter is really famous because it allows you to add your product links right here in your post. For example, you can see somebody is promoting this product right here. Then this product too, you can see they have typed in and created this post for Twitter. And this is how you simply add a link on Twitter and Facebook. Make sure you have a landing page as well. And to get a landing page, you can create a landing page on blogger.com for free. And after that, you can promote your link right here on Twitter. The next way you can promote your affiliate link is going to be on Pinterest. Pinterest is another famous social media and a search engine. So it serves the double purpose. What happens on Pinterest is that we create different pins and people are always looking for new product ideas and designs, inspirations. So if you create a pin right here on Pinterest about your product, then you will be able to sell it. You can create a pin or also add a video about your product, a review video. People will check it out and you can also add direct link right here. What you have to do is when you're creating a new pin, so you simply add your video right here or a picture. Make sure that you have an attractive pin. Then you will simply add your title and make sure your title is catchy. For example, I have this product right here which is a home doctor. So I can simply go ahead and add the title right here. Then I will add the description and all text as well, where I can add the keywords that will help my pin land higher in the results. And then we have a destination link. This is where you will be adding your affiliate link, and it will take people to the sales page of this product right here, and then they will be able to buy it. You can see right here, this is the promo link. I can simply add it right here and create this pin. This is so simple, and you will be able to promote your link using Pinterest. Pinterest also has billions of users who are always looking for different products and new ideas. So the people on Pinterest are actually our buyers. There are many people searching and using Pinterest as a search engine too. So if your product is related to their search, then they will definitely buy it, and you will be able to make the maximum commission out of it. Last but not the least, you can also promote your affiliate links using Instagram. Well, this is not what you thought, because Instagram is a social media platform, and we only think that Instagram is used for just, our feeds and adding posts, sharing stories. But do you know that you can also promote your affiliate links using Instagram? What happens is you simply create an account for your affiliate marketing. Using a simple account is okay. You can also create a business account. And after that, you simply create posts like this. You can also add images for your product and then simply add the link for your landing page of the product that you're promoting. Once you add the link right here on Instagram, people will be able to check it out. You can also target the right audience on Instagram. That is why it's really good for using affiliate marketing. You can promote a specific group of people to buy your product, and this way you will be able to make a sale and earn your profit. Once you know how to do affiliate marketing and promote your products, then nobody can stop you from earning the maximum commission and make money. All of these social media are completely free, and you don't need any complicated account or any experience. You simply can do it as a beginner and sell your products. Now you know how to promote your affiliate links for free and get more traffic. With this method, you will be able to promote your products and get the traffic you need, and you will be able to run a successful business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.